Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Adam Jazmi bin Juzano from MBA 11114E. In this video, I will present to you about rail transport. Okay, let's get started. First is introduction. Rail transport is a system where trains move along fixed tracks. Railway usually controlled by a small number of operators to manage the entire network. Railways are actually the earliest modern transport system in Malaysia. Trains play a very important role in supporting the economy, especially in industry like mining and agriculture. There are several types of rail, each of them serve a different purpose. Heavy rail is mainly used for longer journeys, while systems like LRT, MRT, and monorail are designed for daily travel to contribute to the country's development and connectivity. Next is characteristic. Rail transport is often described as the backbone of a country economy, especially when it comes to moving goods and supporting logistics that make it reliable and efficient. Rail transport are consistent when it comes to operating on a fixed schedule every day and night throughout the year. Freight trains are able to travel long distances and a faster way to move goods across land. Energy efficiency and rail system train like LRT usually use electric power. Sustainability and reduce dependence on road traffic. Now, we will talk about the advantage and disadvantage of rail transport. Advantage. Railways help industries grow and support the economy. It's also safest way to travel because of the fewer accidents compared to road transport. Train can carry a large number of passengers or goods at once. It also creates job opportunities and offer an affordable fares and useful for carrying a heavy or bulky items. For this advantage, building and maintaining train station costs a lot of money, which make it expensive to set up and manage. Less flexible because it does not provide door-to-door services and not very suitable for short trips or small deliveries in rural areas. Infrastructure and network. Transport infrastructure is crucial part in Malaysia because transportation plays a bigger role. Over the past, rail development has expanded beyond the city centre that connects Kuala Lumpur with surrounding areas. At the same time, existing rail system gets a renovation to allow smoother, faster, and more efficient services. The government also shows strong commitment by approving rail projects like high-speed rail link between Kuala Lumpur and Singapore. After that, we will go to policies. Transport policies exist because policies is seen as a key factor in driving countries' development. Government use transport policies to maintain control over their territories and borders. Another transport policies is public safety and to prevent monopolies by few companies that serve transportation services. Government step in to ensure that services remain available, affordable, and fair for everyone. In Malaysia, especially in areas like the Klang Valley, transport policy is particularly for rail developments, guided by the idea of sustainability. This shows that strong policies and investments are important. Issues. Kuala Lumpur has many types of public transportation, especially in rail system. To improve rail transport services, governments need to spend a huge amount of money leads to financial problems. Furthermore, different transport service had separate ticketing and fare systems make traveling inconvenient for passengers. With all of this integration, only some people choose to use rail transport that can help reduce negative effects such as traffic congestion, air and noise pollution, accident, and high fuel consumption. There are several types stakeholders in rail transportation. First is government agencies. The government plays a very important role in transport. They provide funding for rail system like MRT and LRT. Second is transport operators. Operators are responsible for running train services and ensuring smooth daily operations. Third is environmental groups and community organizations. Rail development affect nearby communities, especially in terms of land use, noise, and environmental impact. Environmental groups advocate for sustainable practices, such as reducing carbon emissions and protecting natural habitats. Fourth is passengers or consumer. Feedback from users often leads to the improvements in scheduling, facilities, and service quality. Case study in article by Sharmin Yusuf, Friday, April 24, 2026, 7:14 minutes p.m. The Mass Rapid Transit Putrajaya line experienced an operational disruption on the afternoon of the reported incident, following a lightning strike that affected train system along the route. According to Rapid Rail Sdn Bhd, the disruption was first detected at approximately 4:20 minutes p.m., resulting in delays to all train services operating on the MRT Putrajaya line. That's all from me. Thank you for watching.